Surge in coronavirus cases is also fueling a push in people's desire to get tested.
Yeah, people in Orange County have been flocking to testing sites, but as KCAL 9 Orange County reporter Michele Gile shows us, one city that has been the epicenter of the crisis there is not doing any testing at all.
Santa Ana has more COVID cases than any other place in Orange County. Yet testing for some of the most vulnerable people has just become more difficult to access. Funding to operate the largest free testing site at Santa Ana College ran dry this past Sunday.
It really couldn't have ended at a worse time, because that's really the point in which we're seeing a lot more need for testing. We're seeing our residents that are looking for testing sites, that are looking for resources.
More than $30 million in CARES Act funding for COVID relief programs, including testing in Santa Ana, had to be spent by the end of the year. But the ongoing need in this city, according to officials, isn't matching the funding. There are super sites in Costa Mesa and Anaheim where people can be tested. Reservations are needed, though, and for those who don't live close, it's a major challenge to get here.
It's a concern because Santa Ana employees work in all cities in Orange County, and if they can't get tested, then they might be going to work sick.
The nonprofit Latino Health Access is continuing its testing clinics in Orange County's most impacted cities, in Santa Ana and Anaheim. But Santa Ana's mayor is upset that essential workers in his city have fewer options when they need it most.
What makes most sense to me is that there should have been more investment by the county and the state in areas like Santa Ana, where we really are the epicenter in the county of where the need is. And so, we have 5 of the highest zip codes in the county. So it should have been, I think, better thought out to say, let's put a testing site or resources in the city where the need is the highest in the county.
The mayor says it's possible that help will come from Congress, but the question is when and whether the people in this city will actually benefit. In Santa Ana, Michele Gile, KCAL 9 News.